That shit was amazing. I never had a shot like that before in my life.
JB!
Yeah. Hey, Rashawn, how was it at the end of the game, man? Keeping you guys in it.
Coach just told me to go to the basket, and Jordan told me to go with like 5 seconds. If I miss, he'll follow it up, and that's what he did.
You kept getting to the line at the end of the game, man. What do you say for your big man to get that tip in at the last second?
Man, I appreciate it. We're gonna we practicing tomorrow. It's another day, another game that we had, and he told me he'll follow the shot up, and that's what he did. So it's all in trusting the teammates, and that's what he showed me. I can trust him.
Well, we got USC commit Rashawn Prince. Congratulations, you guys are on to the next round.
Thanks.
All right, peace.